Hello, my name is Anthony Galante, and I'm a police officer with Daytona Beach Police Department. I'm also a full-time faculty member with Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. With the proliferation of small unmanned aircraft systems throughout the United States, many public safety agencies are looking to integrate UAS into their agencies to make their communities safer and to serve their communities more effectively and, most importantly, more efficiently. Unmanned aircraft systems offer a cost-effective alternative to the traditional manned aviation programs for most public safety aviation missions, where an airborne asset could be utilized. But before your agency runs out and buys the first drone they see, it is recommended that you prepare for the procurement by doing your homework and getting your community engaged by developing a clear path to the implementation of unmanned aircraft program. You'll be more likely to have a successful outcome. The Small UAS Fundamentals for Public Safety course will give you a proper plan to successfully integrate UAS into your agency. This course will identify pitfalls many other agencies have experienced and provide a roadmap for your key decision makers in your agency. Ultimately, you must remember you're adding an aviation unit to your agency, and it is imperative you understand current rules and regulations that apply to small UAS. Remember, utilizing UAS at your agency is a high-risk operation, which will require UAS aviation policy. You'll be flying FAA-registered aircraft, and the personnel you designate to be in your unit will be FAA's certificated pilots. Most importantly, you'll need a plan to develop community acceptance, which this course will provide. Here at Embry-Riddle, we also offer other advanced UAS courses to help you with your UAS needs. We will support your agency by helping your operators obtain their FAR Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate with our Small UAS Ground School. We can also support your basic and advanced flight training needs as you proceed with the integration process. Please click on the link provided to see a full list of public safety UAS courses that are available to you. I look forward to interacting with you through your UAS program integration process. And as always, stay safe out there and fly safe.